Are you someone who is earning from peer-to-peer or P2P investments? Then watch this video till the end to understand how to file your taxes on ClearTax. But what exactly is P2P? P2P lending is a way for people to lend money directly to others without going through a traditional financial institution like a bank. It happens on online platforms where borrowers who need money for various reasons like starting a business, consolidating debt, or personal expenses connect with investors who are looking to lend their money for a return on their investments. Now, let's understand how to file taxes if you have earnings from P2P investments on ClearTax. Firstly, log into your ClearTax account, link your PAN and prefill your details. Prefill is a process by which ClearTax will automatically fill in 90% of your details available with the IT department. Now, navigate to the income sources section and go to the interest income section and click on add details. After this, you need to scroll down to the interest earned from the P2P investment section where you can declare P2P earnings from platforms like Credmin, 12% Club, India P2P, Landbox and many others. There are two ways through which you can declare your earnings. The first option is through file upload functionality. In this case, you can check the logos of our partners and upload interest certificate from them to autofill your data. For example, a Credmin user can simply click on the logo and upload the interest income statement by clicking on the Browse Files button and upload the file. ClearTax will then automatically calculate the interest income amount. The second option is through the manual data entry. Here, you can simply enter the name of the platform and the total interest income earned during the last financial year. If you're filing taxes for assessment year 2024-25, then you need to declare your earnings from April 1st, 2023 to March 31st, 2024. After this, you can click on the Go to Next button and continue with completing your ITR filing process. Post e-filing, you can navigate further to e-verification and complete the verification process. So friends, that's how easy it is to file taxes if your earnings from P2P investments on ClearTax. So what are you waiting for? Visit cleartax.in to file your taxes now and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.